CBS 42 News at 10 starts with a big story.
The big story tonight, the growing stress Alabama nurses are facing with COVID-19. Good evening, I'm Art Franklin. Sherry Jackson has the evening off. We witnessed UAB ER nurses last night clocking in late for the night shift, citing stress, being overworked, and demanding equal pay as they care for patients fighting COVID-19 and other illnesses. Well, tonight, our Jake Chapman live back outside UAB with more on the nurses' struggle to be heard. Jake?
Well, our nurses and all hospital workers have been through a lot in recent months because COVID-19 hospitalizations are skyrocketing here in Alabama, which is putting a lot of work on them. And to sum it up with just 2 words, here's how they're feeling right now.
We are tired.
Tired is putting it mildly.
If there's a word that is higher than exhausted, I think that would just really describe every nurse right now in healthcare.
For all frontline healthcare workers, putting in long hours as the virus continues to overrun ICU beds statewide.
I've seen way too many people die from this virus, this disease.
Frederick Richardson is a nurse in Alabama. He says what the nurses at UAB did on Monday was more than brave by bringing up an issue that's been in the field for some time.
Those nurses at UAB made it clear they love UAB. They love working at their department and in their units, but they still have some concerns.
Concerns such as better pay and staffing. Richardson says he knows nurses are leaving Alabama, becoming travel nurses to make more money.
We're just talking about not being the lowest paid state in the country.
We need adequate staffing for every entity within the hospital, and we just need support.
But the conversation about what all hospital workers are going through right now is far from over.
I think that we all need to come together and discuss more.
It does not have to happen if everyone is willing to have the conversation.
And those discussions will include all of those on the front lines of the pandemic.
This is coming from somebody who is seeing it, and I'm telling you, our hospital workers are tired.
And UAB has responded to those nurses' concerns. We have their statement inside CBS42.com. We're in Birmingham tonight. Jake Chapman, CBS 42 News. Local coverage you can count on.